The privilege of a lifetime is to know who you truly are. When I first read this line, I felt nothing, honestly nothing. But then there was a thought in my mind that if I'm not myself, then whom I would be. So, hello everyone, this is Amrita Parekh, and today I'm here to grab your attention towards a very rare but important thing, which is selfhood. The older I'm growing, the more I'm observing that knowing your true self isn't as automatic as it seems. In our everyday life, we have to make some tiny decisions, and these small decisions helps us to shape the big decisions of our life. And at every phase of our life, we have to make a big decision, just like what to study, how to earn, how much to earn, and the biggest one is with whom to live your life forever. But have you ever thought on what basis you are making all these decisions? As per me, we are making all these decisions on the basis of safety. Yes, safety of yourself, safety of your family, safety of your image in society, and safety of your society. And safety is not a bad thing, but the thing is, when we are making some decisions, that time we are having a feeling of uncomfort, loneliness and emptiness inside us. And when we start feeling this thing, that is the high time to take a pause and think whether I'm doing this thing on the sake of others' opinion or at the sake of my image in society. And honestly, this is the most uncomfortable question to answer, and sometimes we don't have any answer. So I think when you're standing at this phase of your life, it's important to check within yourself that are you really happy and satisfied with yourself, or you are just pretending to be. Because most of the time we ignore this feeling, and by doing this thing again and again, we are slightly taking ourselves away from ourselves. We are taking ourselves towards an autopilot mode. And this autopilot mode leads us towards the more critical condition where we are not able to find our happiness and fulfillment. And trust me, knowing your true self isn't a very big thing. It isn't a dramatic process, it's a very simple process. In this process, it doesn't require to rewrite the whole script of your life. It just needs to take some tiny steps. The very first thing you can do is to stop making impulsive decisions. And another thing you can do is to ask some questions to yourself. And the questions are, am I really meant to do this? Do I really belong to this? Are you aware of what are you doing? And am I really relating to this? Or am I considering others' happiness as my happiness and others' success as my success? And if a single answer is missing from all of this, then you have to take a pause and think twice before making any decision. Because selfhood is not being about rebellious. It doesn't mean to take yourself away from everything and everyone. It simply means to take some steps closer to yourself. Knowing your true self is all about allowing yourself to grow with a balanced approach in which your and your loved ones' happiness and their fulfillment aligns on the same thing. Because knowing your true self sometimes means to removing all the layers of expectations, fear, judgment and opinions, and also removing the layer of proving yourself to others. Because at the end of the day, when everything will fade down, when all the expectations, judgments, opinions and fear, they all will fade down, there will be only one thing, that is you, your inner voice, and a question that do you know who you truly are? Thank you so much for watching. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.